Hi, this is me again, your messenger bot guide. Today, I will teach you one of the most used feature here in Messenger Bot, which is our automated Flowbuilder templates. Flowbuilder is basically an automation that you can customize to gather informations and make conversations with your customer automatically once they contacted your Facebook page or Instagram business page. This will definitely saves you time talking and gathering informations of your customer. Messenger bot will do all the talking and you just need to process their order or their services. Now, before we start, please do like, subscribe, and share this video. Now you have two ways to access our automated template. Here or inside our visual flow builder here. Now if you choose the automated template here, we will be prompted with these. Now these are all of our automated templates that you can use or customize. Let's say if you want to use our real estate template, all you need to do is just click the on off here. And if you want to customize it, just click the edit. Now, if you choose to access it via our Visual Flow Builder, just click our Visual Flow Builder here. Then click Templates. Now you will see all of our available automated templates here. We have 40 templates available for you to use and customize here. We have real estate template, customer chat widget, anything that you can think of. Now for you to use one, just click use this template. Then name the template here. Then choose the page you want to use this template. Then click create template. Now here, what our template looks like. It has been built by one of our encoders here. So you don't need to do it yourself. Now you can edit, of course, or customize it like this. You can change the image, the words that you want to use, all the buttons, everything here, you can customize it. Now let's say you already customized all of the things that you want here, then just click save here. Now it's a success. Then click here to leave this page. Now you will see the real estate template here. You can delete the template by clicking this button here, or you can export it via CSV file here. Now let's try the real estate template. Now here is the page that I've used the template. Let me just choose my profile here. Then click send message. Then you will see the get started here. Just click the get started. Then let's wait for the bot to reply. There. Now Messenger bot is doing the reply for you. Let's say our services. Say you want to rent a property. Now all of this, you can customize it on your liking. Now I will show you how Messenger bot gather information. Let's say you want to schedule an appointment. And then the bot says, please specify the desired date and time of your appointment. Let's say February 14, afternoon. Provide your contact number so we can reach out to you. Let's say that's your number. Then it also asks for your email. There. Now, for you to access this information that the customer gave you, just go to your Messenger bot, then go to Subscribers Manager. If you watch my previous video, I have discussed how to use the Subscriber Manager or the user input flow. That's where you can get informations out of your customers. Now, go to Bot Subscribers, click Actions. Then you will see the customer that contacted you. Then the basic info here. Now to see the customer's answers to your questions there, just click this button here under Actions. Also, here's the summary of the informations about the customer. Then click User Input Flow. As you can see, these are the questions and these are the answers that the customer gave you. You can use this to contact the customer or understand more what the customers want. You can also have the custom fields, the custom form data, and the purchase history if you're selling an item. Now you get the idea how to use the Flowbuilder. That's it for today. I hope you learn a lot from this tutorial. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment it down below and reach us directly. With all that being said, I wish you guys a very wonderful day. Bye.